So how has having your own dedicated workspace sort of added to your practice? I know for some small firms and some solos, they choose to work from home, or they choose to not invest in a dedicated workspace or administrative, back-end assistance. How has being part of Carr, or just being part of the Carr community, influenced the way that you are running your day-to-day practice and your business?
Having your own dedicated workspace and an office where all of your belongings are there and in the same place, every day is, it can't be discounted.
For me to have the dedicated space at Carr has really been a worthwhile investment.
I think it's really helped to reflect the image that we want our customers and our partners to have.
Carr has wonderful locations. They're all beautiful buildings and high profile locations, and they're strategically set up where they're near all the city cores where you need to be.
Just having a prominent place too. Our Carr location here in Chicago is in a really beautiful building. It's centrally located in the Loop. It's easy to access for most of our partners that we're doing business with.
And the other thing I appreciate is to have other business people around, just to walk down the hall and say, hey, how are you?
I'd say too, that's the other benefit of being on the floor like with Carr with other attorneys, because then you can refer. There's nothing wrong with just saying, hey, listen, we can't take you on, but I know someone who's willing to, and hey, they're just around the corner, or they're, on another floor. So having that network, like Adella mentioned, and even just the physical closeness helps.
One of the things that I missed when I started my law firm was the ability to walk down the hall and just knock on someone's door and say, hey, do you have 30 seconds for me to run this idea by you? And that, that can really be such a relief to just have someone give their input or to validate, a plan that you have. So that sort of community is something I think that is an exceptional part of being in a workspace where there's other attorneys.
I could not have been happier with my choice to go with Carr over some of the other, shared workspace companies that are out there, because they not only are the facilities beautiful and the people highly professional, but they really took the time to make sure that they were strategically located in the right spot.
Here at Carr, always give the message of we'll do whatever you need to support your practice.
Especially, again, with quarantine and all this stuff. There's been so many changes that we've been trying to navigate and figure out how to adjust, and the team has been really right there with us.